Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going with Q2 of the Bi-Weekly Contest 147, Design Task Manager. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this one. This one I got two wrong answers, admittedly, because I was very silly. My disclaimer was that if you watch the video, the entire contest video, I actually just woke up and I had a huge stomach issue, if you will. Let's just say it's probably something I ate last night. So I was just rushing this one a little bit, and that gave me a 10-minute penalty. Because the two penalties are actually all they're silly mistakes, but it's gonna be one is on the -1. I just forgot to return the no task part. I feel like they should have given you something about it. And then the second one is just that we'll talk about that in a sec. So there are a couple ways to do it, but honestly, the first thing that I just did, the first thing that came to my mind, which is to use a heap. So you may ask, well, but there's no edit in heap, right? So the way that I did it is with what I call a lazy heap, right? Meaning that when you remove, you just check to see if that is the latest version of the heap that you do, and that's it. It'll be slightly slower, but it just given that it'll be on the length of the task instead of the length of the number of unique tasks. So that's a little bit slower, but it's not going to affect the thing. You can also use a sorted list, which someone mentioned, but I probably should have done, but I forgot about, or I wasn't thinking about it in either way. Though it would have been harder to make the mistakes that I did in that scenario. But it is what it is. Well, it would still be easy to make return -1. I just forgot. But yeah, so here's the way that I did it. I initialized with the heap with 3 things, and keeping in mind this is a max heap. Oh, sorry, this is a min heap, so we want to make it max by turning it into -p and so forth. And yeah, this is just putting everything there and then heapified. On add is pretty straightforward. This is log n, right? For each item, we just I guess the other two things that I said is that we have a last, right? This is the last priority set for a task, and this is the user set for a task. So there are ways you can do it. But yeah, so then so I set the priority and the user. So add is pretty straightforward with respect to this as well, right? Edit is the tricky one, perhaps. I just update the p, and the key thing to know is just the key thing is how it interacts with the other stuff. So we'll show it later. But the removal, you can actually do another flag, but I just set the last priority to something that is impossible, which is -infinity. Maybe infinity would have been okay as well, but either way, right? And then once I do that, I just kind of, every time we have a heap, we try to pop it. And we have to make sure that we clarify, this is max, so we have to convert it back to positive. And then here, if the last set priority is not p, then we just skip it, and then we go again. Otherwise, we get to we remove this, and I forgot about this part, so I had something like this, which gave me another wrong answer, because then now if you set the task to the same priority, then I would add it with the same priority multiple times, and therefore it got executed multiple times. But otherwise, this is actually it's kind of hard for me to say that this is a straightforward lazy heap implementation, because I got 2 wrong answers. I guess one of the wrong answers is not related to the heap implementation per se. I just didn't. I rushed it a little bit because I was hoping to use the bathroom very quickly, honestly. But yeah. So what's the complexity here, right? Well, add is going to be, there's a heap operation, so that's log n. This is log n. Remove is all of 1 actually, right? But here it is amortized log n, but I guess for 1 core it could be really slow, right? The reason is because it may have to go through a lot of lazy things that we have to remove. But keeping in mind that every time we add, we only remove once every time we add. So that means that amortize is going to be log n because there's going to be at most n items, right? So that's really the idea behind this one, and that's it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and you can do it in a number of ways, like sorted list. In other languages, you can use like whatchamacallit, a set or something like this, right? So pretty straightforward. In theory, said the guy with the 2 wrong answers. So yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think, and you could watch me solve it live during the contest now. Woke up and I'm clearly not thinking right. Okay, true, false, true. Okay, let's go. Okay. It wasn't that bad. It was slow for sure, but it wasn't that bad. Okay. Okay, so it's just a priority queue, right? With update priority. Yeah, okay. What is the user ID? What does the user ID do? Oh, I see. Okay, fine. We want priority? We want high priority or high? Highest is the biggest number. Okay. Task ID, ID. What if it's the same priority? Highest task number. Okay. Not gonna lie, my stomach is killing me right now. I need to use the restroom bit. Yeah. Okay. Just guarantee that doesn't exist. Okay. Edit. Oh. Maybe I could just do it too. if otherwise, then just return UID, right? Five. Oops. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm a noob. I just woke up. My stomach is killing me. TID. What was that? 916. Oh, UID. How did I forget UID? Oh, okay, fine. Shouldn't have changed though. This one shouldn't. Oh. No, this one should not change. So then UID. Yeah. Okay. Fine. I'm too slow on today. My stomach is killing me. 28. I guess I should just change the variable names, but whatever. Okay, so this is fine, maybe. Line 36. Last of task. Oh. No, this is right for now. 105 is not a task ID, is it? It is. That's weird. So use has it, but last, I do not update last. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. 3.5, okay, let's go. Oh, there's a -1 thing. I just the no task return -1. Okay, well, I actually did remember reading it, but then I just kind of, like I said, I'm watching it a little bit because my stomach is killing me. That is such a silly mistake. I'm definitely watching it though because I would have taken the time for Well, today is not a good day. What is going on? Add an update. I think remove is the wonky one. Oh, maybe. Yeah, okay. I think this. Yeah, okay. I hope that's it. Because what I would do is that if I. Patience, Larry. Edit. Add. Oh, this is initial. I can read this input. Okay, so add and then edit. But if we edit this to be 20, then it should. Yeah. if I didn't have this, so if I have this, that's fine. But if I didn't have this, then this would happen twice. Okay, so yeah, so this at least does something. All right, let's go. Okay, silly mistakes today, but my stomach is. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's contest, these problems, this description, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.